You know, consumers want something easy to use. They've been asking for it. They've been complaining about the existing technology. It's precisely why we came out with a color touchscreen. The response has been phenomenal. People get this panel, see it, they know how to use it right out of the box.
What's unique about 2 gig and Z-Wave as a combination is that now that we can actually have an affordable alarm for homeowners.
So with my PDA, I can control my system, I can control my Z-Wave home automation devices. I have complete control over my system at the touch of a button.
Now with our 2 gig Go Control panel, I can travel and not worry, knowing my wife and our home are safe and secure. Nothing's more enjoyable for us than to sit at home and relax after a long, hard day, just enjoying each other's company in front of the fireplace. So naturally, we set an evening relax scene on our control panel.
In the past, you had the wealthy that spent a lot of money on home automation with security.
Now you have an opportunity to have a security system that also does all the home automation functionality.
With the 2 gig future, we see a very bright future. We are working on many new applications, home health care applications, energy managing applications. The wonderful thing about Go Control is that because there's so many new applications that's going to be developed in the future for the homeowners, and the homeowners will drive these applications, and the security dealer now will be able to offer this application to the homeowner without having to change their panel. And we're real excited about how this is going to evolve.